Good morning. Welcome back again. English Bal Bharti, class 5. From unit 3, today we are going to learn a new chapter from our English Bal Bharti textbook, chapter number 19, Be a Good Host and Guest. See these pictures. These pictures show that there is the party time, and in that party someone is host and someone is the guest. So which kind of rules we have to follow if we are host or we are guest? Just look forward in this lesson. Chapter number 19, Be a Good Host and Guest. First one, I will read this one. We all love to get together with our friends and have fun. We like our favorite dishes even better when we share them with our friends. In short, we all love a parties. It means when we meet our friends, our relatives, that is the very enjoyable moment for us. So, we love to eat various type of foods. We like to drink various kind of soft drinks, and that is the better way we have to share with our friends. That is the great things that we have share with our friends, and that's called we party. And we all love to get together each other and to do a lot of fun with our friends. So that's we are all love a party. You may have attended parties or you may even have given some. What do you think makes a good party? Expensive, fancy clothes, costly decorations, rich food. Such things make a party look glamorous. But is that enough or even necessary to make the people happy? A good party is where the host and the guest can both enjoy themselves and be happy. It should become a pleasant memory in the minds of all. Let us see what we can do to make sure that a party becomes memorable in a good way. Here, the writer says that may you have attended any kind of party or you have given someone to the party. What do you mean by party? Party means we are arranging various type of celebrations, programs in our house, and we call our relatives, our friends, meet each other. That is the get together, and that's we call the party. So what is the criteria, what is the meaning of the party? Only wearing the expensive clothes, costly decoration and rich food, that is enough for party? No, more than we have to do for our guest, or if we are hosts, so we have to arrange so many things to be a people happy. And both guest also and host also, both they have to enjoy the party. So what kind of the rules, what kind of the instruction we have to follow for the be a good host or the guest, that we have to learn in this lesson. Let's see. If you are the host, these are the things that you should remember to do. Here, if you are host, if suppose you are arranging the party for someone, so what kind of you have to follow? See, let's have a surprise party for grandpa. Here is the party for the grandpa. Consult your family members first and see whether they like the idea. They will help you to choose a suitable time, date, place, venue, etc. It means if you are arranging, if you are organize a party for someone, so that time first you have to concern, you have to discuss with your family which date, which time we have to arrange the party, so they can help you to arrange the proper and correct party. See next one. Make a list of people you wish to invite the party. Make sure that how many people you have to invite for the party. So you have to prepare the list. In case someone miss to invite, so that is help to you. The list help you to find out the name of the people or the person. Next one. Send the invitations well in the advance. You may extended an invitation orally or you may send a written invitation. Make sure that your invitation include all the necessary information. If you are sending them the invitation card or orally or written, whatever you have to invitation given to your friends or relatives, all the necessary information must be included in that. For example, given here, dear Madhu uncle, we have arranged a surprise party for daddy on the 21st of December, his birth. I will be very happy if you can come to our house at about 6 p.m. We have also called a few other close relatives. Do come. Yours lovingly, Mandar. Now here, just mention first one the date when you are going to arrange the party. Then who have you arranged the party. Then the time and exact place of the party. That necessary information you have to give in the invitation or orally. Who is inviting whom, the occasion, why you are giving the party, when and where it will be held, what day, what time, what place. Let's have the surprise party for grandpa. So must, when you are inviting someone, that time you have to must mention there to whom you have to invite. Then occasion, what kind of occasion, it is birthday party or it is celebration, what kind of the party, that you have to mention there. When and where it will be held, what day, day must be mentioned there, time, place, that is the necessary things you have to mention there only. Hi Shona, I'm excited. There is the example of the invitation card. I'm so excited. A surprise party for grandpa on 21st December at our home. Do come at 6 in the evening. Don't forget, I give the message to uncle and auntie. Don't let grandpa know. It means all the necessary information which is mentioned here in this invitation card. Okay. Now next one. See, choose a menu that you guest will enjoy. It means menu, which kind of the food you have to refer, you have to prefer for the guest, and they have to also enjoy this menu. Remember the story of the fox and the crane. As a good host, you should consider your guest preference first. Chalk out a program. Will uh, will you begin with games or music? When will food the serve? Do you want your any decoration? How will they be done? Once you have planned the above details, you can work out how the various tasks can be done, who will help you to each of them. It means how you have to arrange the program, what is the sequence of the program, how you have to start the program with the game or music, who when you are going to serve the food to the guest, and what kind of decoration, which type of decoration you have to do here at your home or hall, and how will they be done, all the tasks, and who will help you, all the necessary things you have to do at the proper time. It looks a party very beautiful and glamorous. On the day of the party, that is the prior instruction, that is the prior necessary things you have to do before the party. Let you have to inform to your family, then discuss the day, date and time, then give the invitation to your relatives, your friends. After that, arrange the sequence of the program, how you are going to arrange the program, that is the sequence of the program. And on the day of the party, you must be ready before your guest. You have to ready before your guest reach at your home, and where you have to arrange the party. Your decoration, food preparation should be ready before the people arrive. When the people, you have to given the proper exact time to the people. So before that, you have to ready with your dress, you have to decoration, done your decoration, prepare your food, and you have to welcome the people. You must greet all the guests when they arrive. If they don't know one another, you must introduce them. It means you have to welcome the people whoever come at your home. You have to greet them. If anyone don't know, so you have to introduce themselves with your family, with your friends. You should see that all the guests are comfortable and happy. You should look all the guests if they are comfortable and happy. You should serve the food politely, making sure that everyone is served what they want. It means when you are serving the food to the people, then you have to serve the food politely. Make sure that all the people get enough food for them. Next one. See, if you are holding party games, make sure that everyone gets a chance to participate and enjoy. See, most of the party there is the fun games or any kind of the party games. So you have to make sure that every participant gets chance to play the games. Most important of all, help clean after a party. It means when the party is over, that time you have to help to the your family member, your friends. You have to help to them to clean up the all the party. Here are some common party games like as a musical chairs, carrots, Simon says, hot and cold, gazing games, pin the tail on the donkey. All types of the games you can arrange as a party games. You should not keep playing with some friends and ignore others. It means you have to play with all the friends. You have to take a participation of all the friends and relatives. Treasure hunt, whispers. When it is the time for the guests to leave, you should goodbye to each of them personally. Most important of all, help clean up after the party. It means you, when how many people and your friends and relatives who have present at the party time, when the party is over, they started to leave the party. That time you have to say goodbye each of them personally. You have to talk with them personally, how it is the party, how you are enjoying or not. You have to talk with them personally and try to clean up the party after the party over. If you are a guest, Here are some tips for you. That is the host. All the before we have to learn that if you are hosting the party, what you have to follow. So we have to learn it already. Now if you are a guest, here are some tips for you. Please acknowledge that you have received the invitation and let your host know whether or not you will attend the party. It means you have to confirm that you have to receive the invitation of the party, or it is not possible you to attend the party. You have to let know to your host that you will not attend the party and tell the reason, exact reason of your attendance. If you are choosing a present of your host, think well about what she will like. A thoughtful gift is appreciated more than expensive one. It means if you are a guest, so you have to go to the party, then for the party you have to choose the present for the host. Just that is the thoughtful gift you have to uh, purchase for the host and not for the expensive one. You have to purchase the thoughtful gift if she or he like it. Remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift. It is not polite to let you the host know how much you have spent on the gift. It means the first thing that what you have to do, if you have purchased the gift for the host, then you have to remove the price tag on the label from the gift. Wrap the gift well. If possible, decorate the wrapping yourself. It means if you are purchasing the gift, so you have to wrap, you have to cover it properly, and if it possible, you can decorate it as yourself, right? That is the tips for the when you are arranging or when you are hosting the party, what you have to follow, what kind of rules you have to follow. And if you are guest, so there is the tips for the guest. So it will be make sure that your party is very very beautiful and glamorous. See, on the day of the party, if you are guest, what you have to follow on the day of the party, be punctual, reach in the time for the party, appreciate the food and decoration honestly. See what you have to do, be a punctual. It means you have to reach at the proper time which is given to you for the party. Appreciate the food and the decoration, what the decoration have we done there, you have to appreciate it. Don't waste food, take only as much you want. It means take only food that you have to want. When it is time for you to leave, approach your host and say goodbye. Later on, let your host know either personally or writing how much you enjoy the party. It means before leaving the party, you have to approach with the host, say goodbye to him or her, and leave the party. If there is any work to be done after, offer to help. Be friendly with your guest. Take a part in a program and the games also. It means if any work have to incomplete, you have to try to complete it and take a part in the program. Whatever the program games have arranged on that particular party, you have to participate in that. The success of the party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. Be your host or a guest, do you can be a boost it. It means the success of the party. When the party is going to be success, when the host when the host arrange all the party properly and when the guest also follow these tips properly, the party will be very successful. Okay, so in this lesson we have to learn about that how to be a good host and the tips for the good guest. I hope do you understood this lesson properly. You have to read this and try to write the question answers. Thank you.